Lordship, may I mention one item which is unlisted? IA in connection with WPC 142 of 2025. Lordship, this matter is urgent because of the fact that there's a demolition order which is scheduled to be held on 9th of this month by Tuesday. If the matter can be taken up today, and if not possible, by Monday.
Monday. They set on Monday.
That's it.
Yes.
God bless.
Well, if I may also be permitted to make a mention with 5 unlisted items. Well, these are LA appeals. We have filed 12 LA appeals, and out of that, Your Lordship has issued notice, and in 5 cases, Your Lordship has condoned the delay, and for that matter, we have filed a stay application on 7/11/2025 and 10/11/2025. If this stay application may be posted on Monday.
Okay, let's see. Post it on Monday.
May I seek Your Lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 10 of the hearing list? With the consent from both the parties, if the matter may be taken up next week on Thursday, subject to Your Lordship's permission.
After the vacations. Hearing matter, isn't it?
Hearing matter.
Is your name there in the cost list?
Yes, my lord. Lal Ming Liani.
Okay, heard Ms. Lal Mingliani, learned counsel for the appellant, who has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after the ensuing vacation. Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, I seek your indulgence on mentioning part 2 item number 5 on behalf of my senior Victor Elralte. Can this matter be taken up after vacation?
Have you taken the consent
Yes.
from the other side? You've
Yes,
spoken to
Lordship.
them?
Yes.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Victor Elralte, learned counsel for the appellant, for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after the vacations, ensuing vacation. Yes.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
May it please, my lords, I appear for the petitioner. Am I clearly audible and visible to my lords?
Yes, but is someone going to make a mention? Yes.
Lordship, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior Sanjay Kumar Medhi for respond number 5. Lordship, the writ appeal was listed yesterday before the principal bench, and again it was fixed on for.
Okay, you wait for your
third-
turn. You wait for your turn. Okay. Yes.
Lordship, for item number 1.
My lord, this item number 1 is contempt case number.
My lord, there has been some correction in the cause list.
So what is item number 1?
FSNT electrical, my lord.
Writ petition 158/2025, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that is the one which has been called out. Yes. So councils are there? 158/2025. Who is the council?
My lord, counsel is appearing through BC.
I can't hear you. Yes, please press the microphone sign there. Have you pressed?
Yes, my lords.
Now we can hear you. Yes.
Perfect. My lords, this is a writ petition challenging the grant or technical evaluation of a tender which could not have been. My lords, why I say so, in the course of my argument, I'll demonstrate. This pertains to a tender in relation to supply and replacement of certain transformers. This was precisely, if your lordship will have page 56, the scope of work is determined. across Aizawl, my lords.
Page 56.
Page 56, 55 and 56, my lords,
Oh,
is the scope of work that was tendered, my lords. If your lordships will see, this pertains to 7 locations across Aizawl, out of which my lords will just note that item number 1, 3 and 5 pertains to supply of new transformers, whereas item number 2, 4, 6 and 7 pertain to shifting, installation, commissioning of replacement transformers, my lords. My lords will just also observe clause 1.2 that the tender in its scope also involved reconductoring of 132 kV line at 122 locations. This is a material fact. In total, my lords, 7 main locations and 122 locations otherwise being covered in this tender. I just showed the scope of work, my lords, what it
which is
pertains.
affecting the public directly. So,
Absolutely, ma'am.
So we have to see whether you filing a writ petition, a
Absolutely.
delay
I'm-
would
I am-
affect also.
I'm
Anyways,
conscious-
let's see. Yes, so what
I'm
happened to
conscious
this?
of
This
the
is the
implication.
tender then?
Now, my lords will just see one more page with me. I'll just briefly update my lords on the submissions that I'm going to make. My lords, my first submission is going to be that judicial review in these circumstances and this tender would be permissible. I'm aware of the limitations that are there. As your lordships have also pointed out, public interest is one. Second would be the arbitrariness. And third criteria where this would be permissible would be if there is an evidence of favoritism. In any event, in any
So the
event,
last two, tell me, where's that? Arbitrism or favorism?
My
Come
lords,
to your
what has
point, huh?
happened- What has happened is this in this tender is this, that the EMD that was
Yes.
there prescribed in this tender was 57 lakhs and 87,000 rupees.
Okay, earnest money deposit, where's that?
Well, as EMD, your lordships will see at clause page 48. And the second criteria is the bid validity, my lords. That will also be at 48. Clause 4, I'll just read it for your lordship's convenience. And I'm going to emphasize on some words over here also, my lords. The earnest money, the tenderer shall, my lords will just please highlight for record the word shall here. It is a non-derogable condition. Have to furnish earnest money for rupees 57 lakh 87,000 only. Neither more nor less. What has happened
But
in this?
here, the next, this thing, what is highlighted, tribal tenderers
Absolutely.
are
ma'am.
allowed to submit earnest half the above. So who are the tenderers? You're one of them, and the
I am one of the
respondent.
tenderers. Mullahs is the state is the respondent. Otherwise, Mullahs, the bid that has been accepted is JV Fiscon. That is Annexure 6.
So he's
In
made
any event,
respondent number?
Mullahs, he is not a respondent because I am impugning a state action here.
No. So he's the one who's been selected. So he will have to have some say also, isn't it? The
Mullahs,
private
for the
respondent.
department, that is for the department to clarify. I am just pointing out the facts, my limited understanding of facts, Mullahs. Now, what has happened in this tender is, Mullahs.
No, at the outset itself, if the person who has been, maybe, to my understanding, maybe he's been preferred over you, okay? If
Yes, ma'am.
he has not been made a party, you will have to make him a party.
Mullahs,
Because he's the one who's going to be affected also.
Mullahs, as of now, there is no contract agreement in place.
But
which
he's been
essentially-
preferred, isn't it? Then you
Yes.
don't have a case. So you're saying that instead of considering your bid, this other private person has been considered, is it?
That is not my case, my lords.
No, then-
My case is that the bid conditions have been given a complete go by. Insofar as the bid validity is concerned, the tender required bid validity of 120 days. The person who has been declared eligible
So the
technical
person who has
evaluation,
been declared eligible should also be made a party, isn't it?
he has submitted
Because
a
you
bid
have
of
not been
minimum-
made eligible for whatever grounds.
He has been made, well, I'll implead if that's required, I'll implead the party.
Yes, please, please,
Just
he's
hear me out for
because
that note.
if you're going to challenge the selection made by the state respondents, saying that you have not been considered and someone else has been considered, then his rights will be affected. So he has to be made a party. He's a necessary party. And then he'll also reply whatever, or maybe he will depend on the affidavit that is going to be filed by the state respondents. But his name has to be reflected.
Yes, my lords, I'll implead them. However, today, my lords, I have to press for a stay.
No,
There is
no,
a
no,
book
this
review-
thing, you make the necessary corrections and then it can be, because when we stay the whole thing, they're going to press for the stay. If you press for the stay, someone is affected.
My lords, only till next date of hearing.
No, 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 no. Make
Only till
him a
next
party,
week.
make him a party so that he is also aware as to what is going on, okay? And we can, list it
But we
again
consider-
anytime next week when you're ready.
My lords will consider two things today.
Mm-hmm.
My lords, the clock is against me in case the LOA is issued.
No, if
and
it
the
is
contract
stayed, no,
agreement is
I'm
executed.
saying if the whole matter is stayed, you're going to press for the stay. If it is stayed, someone is going to be affected. That person has to be impleaded. Otherwise, it will not be correct, okay?
My lord,
So
it
whichever
is-
the private person is, you implead him, you can make the correction to your cause title or you withdraw and submit afresh by a short date so that before the vacations, that is before 13th, is it 13th? Yes? 12th. If you're going to press for the stay, we can consider. What is not adverse to that as such, but the person who is going to be affected by an order of stay has to be made a party.
I'll take only 2 minutes to clarify that. Actually. There is no inherent right existing in the counterparty as on date. My lords, the contract agreement has been executed. So
Oh.
it is only a state action that is being impugned before my lords.
But someone
It
is
in that
affected,
respect.
isn't it? But
He will
someone has
not be,
been
my
affected.
lords. He will
How-
not be
how?
because there is no inherent right being vested till date.
But he's been considered, his name has been considered, isn't it? Then if no one has been considered, then you have no case also.
No, his claim has been considered. Now, second aspect, my lords, that I was trying to bring to your lordship's attention was the bid validity required for this bid was 120 days. My friend, the other side,
See,
private
the other
party
side, you're
submitted-
always mentioning the other side. So this friend of yours who's the other side, he has to be impleaded.
My lords, the state accepted a bid of 58 days,
Ah.
contrary to its own tender.
So they
58
accepted,
bid
but they
validity.
accepted someone whom you're unhappy, so that person who is accepted has to be also impleaded. Are you getting my point? The person who has been accepted, he has also to be included. So what do? You pray for some amendments?
My lords, I'll
Or
amend
you,
the-
by filing an additional affidavit impleading that person, or you withdraw this instant and file afresh by whatever.
we'll list it
Which
on
one do you
Monday.
want? Which do you want?
Let's we'll list it on Tuesday. I'll make the necessary corrections.
Okay. Heard, Mr. So and so.
Value, my lords.
Yes.
Shubham Paliwal.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that he may be allowed to make certain necessary corrections in the instant writ petition and pray that since there is urgency in the matter may be listed again on what's Tuesday? On Tuesday, date is 9th, 9/12/2025, yes. Praise allowed.
My lords,
Necessary
meanwhile,
corrections to the writ petition is allowed. List-
Meanwhile, at least
Huh.
the department should hold its hand.
No,
The
list-
matter is
list-
sub judice before, my lord.
So list on Tuesday, then we'll have a look.
My lords, in the meanwhile, at least the department can undertake that no further actions will be taken.
No.
My lords, the
Not
entire
yet.
writ petition will otherwise become infructuous.
We'll have a look then. Okay, you should have taken care. Yes. List on Tuesday, we'll see. Nothing will happen. Yes.
Item number 2.
Yes, true.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Is,
Ms. Keski.
is it a matter, criminal petition number 3, item number 2?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulties today, so he will be personally arguing this matter. This matter may be fixed on 22nd of January.
Yes.
My
Who's for the respondent? Oh, you're for the respondent. So the
Yes, yes.
petitioner, okay, counsel for the petitioner is present. Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the respondent, for adjournment of the matter by submitting that the counsel for the respondent, being an outstationed counsel, would like to be personally present on the next court date. Full stop.
22nd of January.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, if I may, I was informed by Mr. Mehdi that the writ appeal was to be taken up on 3rd February.
So let's see what happens. Okay, let him be personally present and see. So this writ appeal, you are saying that there's a writ appeal.
Yes, 320.
Lordship, Lordship, if the matter is, this is the criminal contempt number 4, then Lordship, it should be on 4th of February, because writ appeal is fixed for 3rd of February.
So when are you praying? Which date have you prayed for? 4th February?
Actually, there is some misunderstanding in regard to the cause list. According to our the cause list that I have got, our item number 1 is the criminal petition
Contempt case number 4 of 2023. It was
Yes.
in the uploaded cause list, my lord. Item number 1 was contempt case number 4 of 2020.
So now we are considering contempt case number 4. There's no
Yes, yes, my
confusion.
lord.
So what?
If that is correct, my lord, the writ appeal was is to be listed on 3rd February.
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel for the respondents, praying for adjournment by submitting that the learned counsel for the respondent, being an outstation counsel, is not able to appear today, and hence the adjournment. Full stop. Mr. Lalsan Lianakiante, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has been informed that the writ appeal /320, is it /2023, in the connected case has been listed for 3rd to 2026, and prayed that this matter be listed there after the fixed date. In view of the above, list the matter on 4th. We'll make it 4th, okay? So that you can inform us on 4th to 2026. Yes.
Obliged, your lord.
Item number 3.
For this matter, Lordship, a similar perissal, but Lordship, they fixed this matter on 20th
Okay.
January.
Yes, anything to say in this matter? They have prayed for adjournment.
Yes, my lord, we have
Not
no
objected?
objection. Yes, my
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned CGC, for adjournment of the matter by submitting that the learned CGC, being an outstation counsel, is not able to appear today, and hence the prayer for adjournment. Full stop. Ms. Rosie Mandlomsani, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present and has not raised any objection. In view of the above, as sought for, list on 22/1/2026. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
Same?
Lordship, yes.
Because SK
similar
Mehdi is
there.
here, so it will be learned counsel for respondent number 2. Okay. Then,
I'm appealing
which
for the
is not,
respondent.
okay, which is not objected by, again, Mr. C. Lalfagzola, learned counsel for respondent number
1.
1, and Mrs. Linda L. Fumble, learned PP, for the petitioner. Okay, in view of the above, as we sought for, list on so and so. Same date. Yes, 22nd
22nd.
January.
Yes, sir.
Obliged.
Obliged, sir.
Item number 5.
Yes, what is the matter about?
My lord, the petition pertains to a prayer for compassionate allowance under the rules 41 of CCS pension rules.
Where is Ms. Lalnan Louis? You were present in the last court date, appearing for the state respondents.
My lord, in the last order from the record of this court, my land counsel has prayed for time for filing the counter affidavit.
Do you
It
even know
was
what
on
is
the
going on?
14/8.
Yes, you appear a little bit lost. Lalnan Louis,
Yes, Your Lordship.
compassionate allowance.
Yes, Your Lordship. This actually is handled by Mrs. Carolyn. So I may have appeared on her behalf on the previous last.
But I think she's taken some maternity
Yes,
leave
Your
or
Lordship.
something.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then we cannot keep waiting. You take up the matter yourself. So file your counter affidavit, if any, positively
Yes,
by the
Lordship.
next court date. We'll list it after the distinct vacations. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Find out what's going on. Yes, Mr. Saiming Thanga, Silo, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, along with Ms. Lalnun Lui, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Full stop. The learned government advocate has prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. Full stop. In view of the above, further time is given to the learned government advocate to file their counter affidavit positively by the next court date, lest after the ensuing vacations. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, in this matter, steps were taken on the respondent number 3. That is the competent authority for land acquisition, Kolasip district, on 2nd of September, Your Lordship. And till date, respondent number 3 has not been presented.
Who is this thing, respondent number 3?
That is the Kala, Kolasip district.
Kala,
Yes, Your Lordship.
not represented till date.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So when was notice issued to the Kala?
Steps were taken on 2nd 9th of 25, Your Lordship, as per the court order. Steps was-
9. Do you want to issue fresh notice?
Your
Because I
Lordship,
think his presence is necessary.
yes, Your Lordship. Because
Then you take fresh steps, maybe something happened and leave it.
My Lord, if
If
Your
you
Lordship
receive-
can see whether the notice has returned,
Kalo, which place?
Kolasip district, Your Lordship.
Policy, take fresh steps. Isn't it?
In the last court order, Your Lordship, it has been written that since I was not present, it is written that from office not service upon all the respondents has complete. So,
No, copy was served to learned counsel for petitioner and no, maybe there's a mistake. CGC appearing for respondent number 4. Who is respondent number 4?
4 is the Union of India.
So
5 and 6 is the
So I think maybe there's a mistake here because Kala is not represented yet, isn't it?
not represented.
So this court's order dated 29/08/2025 was that notice is to be issued to respondent number 3 by registered post with AD. So we are still awaiting for return of AD from respondent number 3. Because there's no way it's noted that AD card from respondent number 3 is awaiting. Okay, here. No, there's an order here. AD card received today from respondent number 3. Yes, let's see the correspondence file. Please check. There's no AD card here. Only the postal. So, though office note, is there any AD return of AD card? No. Then the office note is wrong. Anyway, Mr. H. Rodin Sang, learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes, Mr. Jonathan Silo, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Lalvan Tui, learned government advocate for the state respondents number
1 and 2, Your Lordship.
2, Mrs. Iram Sangpui, learned CGC for respondent number 3. Yes, respondent number 4, and Mr. Samuel L. Sangte, learned standing counsel, is it? For respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6. Stop. It is seen that though this office note dated 26/09/2025 indicated that AD card was received from respondent number 3. However, on perusal of the C file, C within inverted commas, make the C, okay, C file, it is seen that the said AD card is not available for perusal. In view of the above, the registry to verify and list the matter after the ensuing vacations. Yes.
Blush.
In the meantime, the state can also inform, because though this thing, Kala is a different person, however, ultimately it affects the interest of the state, isn't it? The state exchequer will be the one. Yes. So, any hearing matter? None?